Hi guys, it's Priscilla from Priscilla's Craft Shop, and today we're going to learn how to single crochet. I made a simple swatch or a little square of single crochets all across to show you what the finished product will look like. So I have my yarn on my hook already. Now normally with single crochet, you're going to always chain one more than what you need. So if you need 10 single crochets, you're going to normally chain 11. You need that extra one on your hook because remember, that chain that's on your hook counts as the first chain from your hook. You need to work into the second chain. So let's do 10. We're going to chain 11 to make 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there you have it. You have your chain already done. So like I said, this is the first chain on your hook. This right here would be your second. So what you're going to do, you have one loop on your hook. You're going to want to insert it right in there. You see? You have 1, 2, 3. You're going to want to insert it right in between here. So you're going to go yarn over, bring it up. You now have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through both loops. And you're going to continue that for 10. So if you look as you go along, it makes it easier for you to know where you're going to insert your hook. So you're going to insert it right underneath this piece here and above this piece. So it goes, let me take my scissors so I can just show you guys and point it. So you're going to insert it here, right in here, and then again in here and in here. That's just where I like to insert it. Some people insert it above. I like to do it there. I feel like it just makes it more secure. That's just my preference. So again, right in here. Insert, pull up, pull through. Right in here is where you're going to insert it. Right underneath this one that's here, right in there. Right in between this one and this one. I hope I'm making it very clear for you guys. Pull up, you have 2 loops on your hook, pull through both loops. Again, you have 1 loop on your hook, you're going to insert, pull up, now you have 2 loops, wrap around and pull through both. And you're going to continue doing that. And it's okay to count each time you do a row, just to make sure that you're doing the right number, you're not missing any stitches. You don't want to have your square come out lopsided or mismatched because it's not even on each side. So then with a single crochet, when you're going to turn, you chain 1. So you would as you're doing a chain, right? So you have 1 loop on your hook, you yarn over and you pull through, and that's your chain 1. Then you turn, because now you're going to work this way. And if you look on top, it looks like a chain, right? But you're going to insert it in these little gaps. You see these little gaps? That's where you're going to insert your hook. So you take your hook, you have 1 loop on your hook, you insert it in the first gap, you pull up, you have two loops on your hook, and you pull through. And you continue doing that. Insert in your gap. So you see your chain is sitting on top of your hook. You're pulling through. You have 2 loops and you pull through both. And you keep doing that all across. and again, chain 1 and turn. You have 2 rows now completed of single crochet. We're going to work another row, and I'm just going to try to go as slow as I can so that you guys can see. Again, you see the gap, that's where you're going to insert your hook. You have 1 loop on your hook, insert it in the gap, pull up. You have 2 loops on your hook, wrap around, and pull through both. Next gap, insert, pull up, pull through. Next one. That's 3 single crochets. 5, 6, your gap, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1. I'm going to do 1 more row, guys, okay? But if you look, you can see each space that your hook is going to go into right on the top. You see those little gaps. That's where your hook is going to go into. So you know where your hook is going to go into. You just have to remember how many loops and what to pull up and things like that. So you have 1 loop on your hook, insert it, pull up. 2 loops on your hook, wrap around, pull through. 1 loop, insert, wrap around, pull up. You have 2 loops, wrap it around again, and pull through. And you continue doing this all across. This stitch is really so simple. And you can make anything from this. You can make hats, you can make scarves, you can make cup cozies, you can make blankets. I mean, it takes a little bit longer, but you can. But it's such a really simple stitch to learn. Chain 1. Trying to get my fingers out of the way so that you guys can see. Oops. And that's it. That's how you single crochet. If you see my swatch, you will see the top, it looks like a chain. That's the top of your single crochet. It looks like a chain, looks very neat, very finished. And each row, did you see that? How textured it looks? This is the back. You can still see the gaps to where your hooks are going to go. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. This was how to single crochet. I hope that it was very simple and easy for you guys to get. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.